Hi, to change ringtone on your iPhone 16e, as a first step, open Settings. Now in Main Settings, you need to search for the Sounds and Haptics section, and after that, pick Ringtone category in the list. So, if you just scroll through the list, you'll see all of the available options for your ringtone, and you can even check all of the classic old options. So if you want to set something, just tap it like that and save changes using this back arrow. Or you can pick something from new options like this, or stick to the default one. After that, you can go in Haptics and here change vibration. You can use synchronized, which is default option, or pick any other from the list, even create new one, or disable vibration during incoming phone calls. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.